Well, welcome back to Flipaclip. Today is going to be a new one today. Today is going to be Season 2, Episode 20. Last episode was Season 2, Episode 19. Welcome back to Flipaclip. Welcome back to video of September 2026. So, today is September 1st, 2026. Last year was Season 1, Episode 20, only the 5-minute video. So we will be doing the same thing again today. So let's go to Village Store Plus, and we'll go to this one. First thing I wanted to do is to turn on the volume and then turn off the light switch so we can see better. And then, here we go. Play the video in 3, 2, 1. Alright, once we are done, let's play a video. This used to be a road closed here, and now it got reopened since then because it was finished to play. You can still hear the Samsung Galaxy S10 in the background of audio sound. But this was a project. I didn't change the audio sound, I just kept the same thing. But except the Samsung Galaxy S10 was still the same, so that's not changing anymore. I wonder when that's gonna be replaced, but I'm not gonna make Season 3 anymore because I don't want it to operate the same way as it. I think this audio sound is getting replaced, but unfortunately, I believe that also meaning that due to this, we have a problem. It's also now going to be a big problem because the audio changed on the Flipaclip about that. Also, in Season 1, Episode 20, it's going to be replaced with a custom thumbnail. Season 1, Episode 21 is going to be replaced with a custom thumbnail too. And Season 1, Episode 22 will also be replaced with a custom thumbnail. And for the 2026 video, I was supposed to do Season 2, Episode 1 in January 8th, 2026. But unfortunately, that did not plan out. So unfortunately, plan has canceled about that. So yeah, that's why it's doing that. Okay, the end. Anyways, thanks for watching. So let's go on really quick. So yeah, exercise ball deflating very fast now. So activate. Yeah, replay. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel about all that. Thanks for watching my video again, and I'll see you in Season 2, Episode 21. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.